Hey guys, I'm kind of human that loves to build side projects. You can call me a builder. And for each of those projects, I need an idea. Well, the question is, who decides which of those ideas are better? Well, people. So in order to find good idea, we have to make sure it resonates with other people. Well, why wouldn't we listen to people in the first place and then come up with an idea? Well, that sounds like a plan. People are asking a lot of questions on Reddit. That might be a good source of pain points that can be transformed to ideas. Well, we also have to accept that some ideas are better than others, and those that are better are unique, just like flowers. Some of them we consider beautiful, while others are just grass. But in that garden of ideas, there are gems just like that one tree. Let's build that database of ideas, or a garden of ideas, yeah. Let's move to the office. Now I'm in the office and ready to build. To make an app like this one, we need three parts: AI automation, backend, and web application. Let's start with automation. First, we build the scraper in JavaScript using Node.js and the Reddit API. It pulls new posts every 15 minutes from selected subreddits. Then, each post is passed into Gemini 2.0 Flash, which scores it for pain level, how helpful the solution is, popularity, how many people face the very same problem, and complexity, how hard it is to implement a solution. Each rated as low, medium, or high. From these values, we calculate an overall opportunity score from 0 to 100, then automatically generate a clean title and description for the idea. And we just pass everything to the database, so we store it. The entire process runs on AWS Lambda, which means we only pay when it's used. An ideal setup for cost-effective automation inside projects like this one. While developing this project, I found the most time-consuming part. It is crafting and tuning prompts, I swear to God. We follow a proven framework, breaking prompts into context, instruction, and examples to make it easy for the model to give the right responses I expect. And I found the Liam Oatley's videos very helpful. He didn't pay me for this though. So his videos actually gave me the basics of prompt engineering that we implemented in this project. Now, let me introduce my brother. He helped me with the project. He optimized the data model, refined the ranking algorithm, and built the API layer that ties everything together. He also refined the prompt. Without his work, this wouldn't be nearly as polished. Thank you, Ilya.
Our project stores every analyzed post in MongoDB, which gives us a dynamic schema that we can tweak on the fly. It's perfect for trying out different prompts and iterating until we find the one that works the best. Because Mongo provides the ability to centralize billing, all charges flow through the same dashboard, keeping costs transparent and easy to manage. And with MongoDB's flexible scaling options, right now we are on a lightweight Flex instance that even scales down to 0 when idle. We pay only for storage at rest. Later, if we need more horsepower, we can seamlessly upgrade to a beefier dedicated cluster. We built our project on foundation of three simple but powerful tools. First, we chose Node.js and Fastify to write our backend code in TypeScript, giving us lightning fast performance and familiar development experience. Next, we wrapped up our Fastify app with AWS Lambda Fastify adapter and deployed it behind AWS API Gateway, so our servers spin down to 0 when no one's using them and we only pay for actual requests. Finally, we defined every piece of our cloud setup, like lambdas, gateways, permissions, and more, in Terraform, so spinning up a new environment or making a change is as easy as updating a file and hitting apply.
And the last part of this project is probably the easiest one, is single page application. It should provide us with intuitive interface for database navigation. Basically, the whole page is going to be a table with sort functionalities for rank and parsed date. Also, when clicked on an idea, it should open the card with additional information like description and Reddit post. Yep, that's it. We finally made the app. It's accessible for everyone through a link in description. It was created for you to get inspired by ideas exposed in the app, order them by rank or parse date. But from my experience, the best ideas are somewhere in the middle. You just read through ideas and find some eye-catching. Then you dig deeper into each idea and eventually you'll come up with the one. You can also write them down and choose the best one. Honestly, it's up to you, because at the end of the day, that's the execution that matters. Well, we've got the MVP running, but there is more ahead, especially if we see success in this project. For example, fine-tuning the model for better ideas ranking. Well, another feature could be like letting users submit or vote for subreddits, and implement search functionality is also a great idea. Great software begins with great questions, and Reddit is full of them. With a bit of JavaScript, AI, and serverless magic, we can turn those questions into real-world products. You can access this tool for free, at least until I go broke. Well, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which idea you'd build next. See you in the next videos.